guys, I'm Edyta from Laundry Basket Quilts. Welcome to Quilting Window. I am so happy you're here. We are making diamonds for our quilt alone. Called Tahoe. You don't know what that is? Oh, guys, you have to join us in. If this is your first time you seeing this video, go to our housekeeping and basic instructions. It will give you all the informations about this beautiful event. We are making a quilt like the one that is behind me. I'm using my fabric called Primrose Collection, and I'm using a kit. On our website, you can find a pattern, you can find kit, and we have multiple color options. Come on, join us in. Or you can go ahead, grab some of your scraps and start quilting with us. You're going to need the pattern for measurements. So if you want to go get the pattern and you're ready, set, go. I'm super excited for everyone. Today we're working on a diamond number 4. Isn't that beautiful? This one is made from 4 different sets. Set number 1. Actually, this is set number 4. Set number 3, 2, and 1. Those sets are made from strip panels. By now, with diamond number 4, you guys are pro in making your panels. I know it. So go ahead, if you need a little refreshment, go back into the generic instructions and start making your panels. But right now, if you already know how to do it, all that you had to do is make your panels and cut 8 sets from each panel. And we did that. This instruction repeats over and over. So I don't want to put a lot of time onto those because I want to help you piece your diamonds together. I think that is the place that you could use me and need some help. So once I have all my sets laid out in front of me, I'm gonna go ahead and start sewing them to little groups. I'm gonna place this one right sides together with this one. I'm gonna make sure that I overlap just gently right here, but more important, I'm gonna check that right here my diamonds are matching right there. Do you see? And we have practiced that. We're gonna go ahead, put a pin in that spot and put 2 pins on each side. I'm going to do the same thing right here, and this is quite important because I want my lights matching really nice. So look at this. I'm gonna go ahead, move this over. This is perfect. Grab a pin and make sure that my pin goes all the way through and comes out into the seam. All right, now I'm gonna put a pin front and a back, and I'm gonna start stitching. As soon as I finish stitching, I'm gonna have beautiful 2 units like this. I open the seam in the back just like that, and now all that I have to do is go ahead and match things up right here. There is a seam for this diamond that I would like to match. So again, lined it up. This is gonna be my important part. Lined it up, then go ahead. Thanks goodness I have a second pin cushion because I'm really using a lot of nice pins. Right there, I'm gonna push it. This is perfect. And now I'm gonna be able to pin the top and stitch right down. As soon as I finish stitching, I will open this seam and look how beautiful this diamond look. The last thing that I would do is press it and check with my nice template, diamond template, to make sure that my diamond fits right in. If any time you check and something is too big or too small, you need to check your 1/4 inch seam allowance, adjust your 1/4 inch seam allowance to make sure that future diamonds come out really nice. And you can always trim it, because guess what? If I have to trim a tiny bit here, it is going to be okay because there is no seams. This is straight low piece, so it's gonna be no seams that I have to match it up. This seam and this seam is gonna maybe be important, so make sure you don't trim too much from those. So that is our diamond number 4. I hope you enjoy it. For more information about this fun event, please visit our website at Laundry Basket Quilt, and I can't wait to tomorrow to see you, to play with you and work on block number 5. Happy quilting!